There's nothing more fulfilling than waking up on the couch and falling off onto the living room floor the first thing in the morning. What an introduction to the day, but good morning to you too. Oh, too bright, too bright, too bright. Adjust. Splitting headache, splitting headache. Okay, this is a little awkward, but I'm just taking care of some morning necessities, taking that first morning poop, and reading a few chapters of this book, which is The Stone Cold Truth about Stone Cold Steve Austin. Perhaps you've heard of him. He was a famous wrestler at one time. He's retired now, and I'm on the chapter called The Birth of Austin 316, which is pretty much chapter 18. And there's about 39 chapters, so I still have a ways to go. But I just wanted to let you know about some of the things I'm going to do today. I don't want to give away too much because there is something that's going to be kind of cool to me. I have to go to the 99-cent store to get some supplies for a future project that we're going to be doing, where we're going to be taking care of 100 people. The other thing is, well, I don't really, that's the thing, I don't really want to tell you about that thing because that's going to be pretty awesome, I think. But it involves things that fly, I guess I could say. Yeah, things that fly. That should be like a good cliffhanger, I guess. Yo, I just pulled up to the park because I got to get my stretches in. I don't want to pull a muscle or hurt myself while I'm running. So keep that in mind, that it's always important to do your stretches before you work out. I haven't really been running and lifting weights on the daily like I used to. And if you saw my last video, you may recall that I wasn't doing too well mentally. And that's pretty much why I haven't been doing my daily routine of working out, because just kind of like mentally down. But working out and maintaining a healthy lifestyle and living a healthy life with a healthy mind is important to me. So, you know, I'm trying to get back up in there to be that way like I was. We all go through our problems, we all go through our ups and downs, but I just want to encourage you, if you're feeling any type of way like that, you can do it. You can pull yourself out and you can get better. It may not happen overnight, may take a while, but you can do it. And I just want to give you these positive vibes here. Also, if you did see my last video, you may recall that I purchased a new camera, which is the Canon M50, and I just wanted to share this information with you. It's kind of not really important, but I just thought I'd just throw it out there that this camera that I'm recording this video on is that new camera. It's only like 11 something and it's already hot. Hotter than heck. But I did get a late start. I kind of wanted to get my day started a little bit earlier, but I had some things I had to do around the apartment this morning. I had some phone calls that I needed to take care of. I have a pretty busy schedule today. I wanted to go to the beach to go running, but I don't think that's going to be a part of the schedule today because, you know, I have this other agenda that I must maintain. So I just figured I'd just do some multitasking right now. I needed to go to the 99-cent store, so I'm just gonna run to the 99-cent store. I'm picking up some supplies because we're gonna be feeding 100 of LA's people that need it, pretty much. But we'll talk more about that later. Honey, I'm home. Oh yeah, there's no honey, but I'm home. We completed today's mission of obtaining 100 granola bars for our food giveaway in LA. Let me show you exactly what we have here. Got over 100 bottles of water here. In the pantry, we've got over 100 bags of chips. We got 100 Ziploc bags and about 100 brown paper bags for the lunches to go in. The only thing that's next on the list is to get, I've got to obtain 100 pairs of socks, because not only with the sack lunches we're giving away, we're also giving away a pair of socks. You don't know, socks is one of the highly requested items within the homeless community. All the funding being used to supply 100 people with some food is coming directly out of my pocket. I'm not asking anybody for any money. Maybe somewhere down the line, possibly, somebody might donate something. But as of yet, everything's come out of my pocket. If you would like to help out, there's going to be a link in the description where you could hit me up in our public Discord. Feel free to drop me a DM and maybe we can link up and do something together. You can come out. I'm not really asking for money, first of all. I more or less just maybe need people to help pass this stuff out more than anything. Because I think as far as funding, I think I've got that covered. Alright, so there you have it. We have all of our supplies here ready to go. Man, it's so hot. It's gotta be, I don't even know how hot it is, but it's pretty hot. And where I'm going for this next event, I'm probably sure it's gonna probably be who knows, like 100. I gotta take a shower real quick, and then we'll be off to our next event. We went for the run. We picked up some supplies, so we're right about on schedule. I'm going to introduce you guys to a new friend of the channel. His name is Martin. I'll be putting his Instagram link down in the descriptions, so if anybody wants to follow him, that would be pretty dope. Okay, so let me explain the dilemma I'm in right now. So I'm getting all the equipment ready to go to this event, but for some reason I can't find the audio input output mic cord for my shotgun mic. Let me let you see it real quick. So this is my shotgun mic here. Here's the audio output. So you basically plug the cord in here and plug the input into the camera, and there you go, you're good to go. Some good quality sound. I'm pretty new to YouTubing, and I'm guessing, you know what, this is just some of the stuff that happens. So if anybody that's watching, maybe that you're thinking or considering becoming a YouTuber, just know it's not always as easy as you may think it is, but I am still having a good time. Currently on the 91 freeway heading out to Riverside, California to the March airfield. I'm here with my buddy Martin. What's going on, Martin?
Not much with this traffic, but I'm very excited to get there.
one day you say goodbye to Mother and Dad. And I'm pretty proud and happy too.
You're lucky to be looking in that plane today, because if you were caught doing the same thing 45 years ago, the standing order was shoot to kill.
These are B-24 Liberator bombers from World War II. We made more B-24s during World War II than any other airplane, over 18,000. 13 are left, 2 fly.
Wow.
Now if you look on the side of the airplane, you'll see a star and bar insignia. And right next to the star and bar insignia is an open window with a machine gun sticking out. That's this thing. It's called the waist gunner's position.
Interesting.
How do they call it?
The waist gunner's position.
I'm just getting back home from the Air Museum. It's about 7:30, going on 8 o'clock. I have some good news and some bad news. Bad news is I ran out of batteries while I was there, so I didn't get to capture everything that I wanted to display. The good news is I can always go back whenever I want to go back. So, I mean, it's always a good possibility for another future vlog. I enjoy going to museums. I like to check out the different artifacts. I like the educational factor. You know, it's just a cool, you know, museums are just a cool place to go check out, in my opinion. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for March Airfield, so if anybody's interested in going to check that out, you know, feel free to do that. I recommend it. Also, I'm just probably going to end up just crashing out in about an hour or two because tomorrow's the 4th of July and I do have some plans for that. So stay tuned for that. Probably going to meet up with the friend Martine again. So yeah, I'll just catch you guys tomorrow. Alright, I'm down here on 7th and Los Angeles. This is, I don't know if you want to say this is like the designated entrance to Skid Row, but once you get past this area, the scenery starts changing dramatically. The population starts changing. So we're going to be down here driving around looking for the most dense populated area, because this is the area where we're going to be feeding 100 people, giving away 100 pairs of socks. So my kind of thought is just to get down here, find out what the most dense populated area is, so when it comes to serve, we can just get in there and then get out.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Alright, just got out of 7-Eleven. Had to just stop and get something to drink real quick. Just want to wish you guys a happy 4th of July too, because today is 4th of July. I kind of just got so wrapped up, I forgot to really say that at the beginning. We're going to be heading back to the beach now, and we're going to go to the Queen's Way. That's our final destination. The game plan is to park here and meet up with the friend Martine, and we're gonna walk the rest of the way to our destination, because I know how congested some of these areas are gonna be with the 4th of July drivers. Being on foot is gonna be a lot more effective to get where we want to go. We're gonna stop and grab a bite to eat, and then we'll be on the way to the Queen's Way.
excited?
I'm excited.
You like to eat?
I like really. I haven't been down there in a while. Like I don't always go to the same spots. Like I think last year I went to Signal Hill. We're debating on what we actually want to eat.
Your pizza.
Maybe we would get some pizza. I had pizza like for lunch the other day though. So I don't know.
What about
I wish.
Subway, right across the street.
I wish they had like the taco trucks around here.
Chocolate truck? No, there's no chocolate truck.
Yeah, there's not really any taco trucks. I think we're deciding on Wingstop now. See if they're open. We decided not to get the Wingstop. I think we're gonna get pizza now. Even though I had pizza the other day, I had to make a pit stop real quick. I literally had to use the bathroom, so I went into this parking garage and just did my thing real quick. The pizza spot that we're gonna go to. Nah, this is not Shannon's. Martine was kind enough to get us some Modelo. Salud! Happy 4th of July.
Good.
It's gonna take us longer to eat it than we get. Oh shit!
No wonder it's done.
Alright.
It's okay, don't worry about it.
You want me to drink both of them now?
We cannot drink no more.
That was a pretty good place to eat at. Actually, I enjoyed that food, and I met a nice waitress. We exchanged Instagrams. Have you ever been here before?
Oh yes, I do.
How many times have you been here?
Many times, like maybe 20 times, right, Wada? Like 20 times. I'm here for a long time. Long Beach is my special place.
We arrived to our location. We're going to be watching the festivities from tonight. Look at this beautiful view right here. We got these boats out here, these people in their personal sailboats and whatnot down there. We got the Queen Mary over here. It's about 8:20 and the fireworks display doesn't begin until 9. So I'm just gonna chill here and check out this amazing view until then.